Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on the important updates related to Capgemini Accelerate 2025 hiring. So finally candidates are getting the mail for the interview. So first of all, congratulations those who have applied through our link. I mean those who have already updated from our drive, now they are getting the mail. So that's the reason I'm saying that keep an eye on our YouTube channel or keep an eye on our the various hiring. No one know when you will get the hiring. So keep applying for October drive. Now talking a little bit more about this interview, so you can see this type of mail students are getting. So dear applicant, greeting from Capgemini. We are pleased to inform that you have been shortlisted for virtual interview scheduled on 4th May 2026. So some candidates are getting 4th May, some are 5th May, means getting the different dates, and the interview will be on I think Superset. Okay, so they've clearly mentioned the detailed interview information has been shared to your Superset registered email ID. So go and check all the complete detail whatever they are saying and kindly review it for the further detail. Remember one the important thing that they have mentioned, that to facilitate a smooth verification process, please ensure that you have a valid government issue ID card and readily available during the interview. Means you have to sit for the interview with valid identity card. I'll suggest must sit with at least Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card, or any one documents, and or you can sit with the college ID card. So best of luck to the candidates who have interview. So first of all, comment here that whether you got the mail or not. Remember friends, the interview mail will be released in various phases. So if you have applied for the Accelerate hiring, then I think that they will give the chances to almost every candidate. So comment here that when did you apply and whether you got the mail or not. If you have not got, no need to worry, have to wait. Okay, they will release in different phases like the TCS. Okay, so this is the important updates. Now talking a little bit more about the tips. So what are the things that you should keep in mind in the Capgemini interview? First of all, brush up your resume. So whatever the things you have mentioned in your resume, you have to go to each and every point. Okay, and एक point को अच्छे से देख लीजिएगा, because you don't know that who is your interviewer and what are the depth level he might ask you. So you should go through each and every point and cover all those concepts and tech stacks which you have basically mentioned, and must go through the HR questions. Okay, if you need HR question, you can comment here. I'll provide free preparation material for that, and just give your best. Okay, I know some of the candidates may are worried that बहुत कम time मिल रहा है, so whether I will I'm prepared or not, so whether I will be selected or not. So don't think for anything, just utilize the time, whatever the time you are getting, utilize this, because every candidates are getting the same time now. So just utilize your time and try to give you the interview, and best of luck with interview. कोई भी query feel free to ask here, comment here. And friends, again saying follow us so that you will not miss any job update. And recently lots of hiring is going on, especially internship drives. So 2027-26 must apply for those. Okay, and we'll make a dedicated video related to Cognizant hiring too, that is for the 12 LP or 18 LPA, means preparation roadmap. So just wait for some more day, and best of luck. Again, कोई भी query you can ask here, and check your mail that whether you got this type of mail from the Capgemini or not. So मिलते हैं next important updates में. Thank you.